Look, welcome back, man. If you guys use Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and all that type of stuff, man, and you guys don't make money off of it, you're doing it wrong, you're behind, they laughing at you. The people who really use that stuff, man, they real laughing at you, they making fun of you, all that type of stuff, man. If you still use it just to communicate with people, if you still use it to have fun and share memes and laugh and all that type of stuff, joke around, you're doing it wrong, man. But I'm gonna get you right, don't worry, I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get you right, man. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel. All you gotta do is like this video so I know you guys really wanna know. And I'm gonna get you right, man, definitely, man. My page is just about money and cars. It's all about money and cars, that's it, man. So I'm gonna get you right for sure, man. But first thing we gotta do, man, we gotta go in there and get a Subway special, man. It's $2.99 for an oven roasted chicken breast off top. So we're gonna do that. All right, so the first thing you gotta do, man, you probably gotta get like 1,000 followers, man. 1,000 followers on whatever social media platform that you guys wanna, oh shit. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is pick a niche. And I'm gonna tell you guys how to pick a niche. You probably wanna get or find something where you can get at least 1,000 followers, man. It's like in the first day, first week, first month or whatever. You wanna find something that's kind of active, you know? So the way you do that is, I just got my sandwiches. So let's go talk about niching down real quick. All right, man, so the whole goal is to monetize everything, right? The whole goal is to be able to get popular, get an audience, and then figure out a way to sell them something, sell ads, show ads, do something, man, monetize it, right? So you gotta pick a niche. Your niche is one of the most important things that you have because that's going to be your audience. That's going to be basically your brand, right? All right, my bad, it's another day, man. But anyway, man, I'm gonna give you guys 3 examples, man. This is the best way that I learned. Me and my homie, man, we actually got an audio book coming out, man, on how to, you know, make money and all that type shit. But we got 3 different examples, man, and I'm gonna just tell you guys what it is, man, because this is the way I learned how to understand how to pick a niche, man. Because if somebody tell you, you know, oh, do what you want, or do what you love, or, you know, do this or do that, man, that don't really make too much sense, man. You gotta have like real world examples on, you know, how to pick your niche. All right, so we're gonna talk about food, right? Say you wanna make money on food, man. If you wanna sell recipes, if you wanna sell, you know, anything related to food, right? If you just make an Instagram page and, you know, a YouTube page or a Facebook page is all about different types of food, man, and don't have a particular niche. If your food is your niche, you're gonna have problems, man, because people who like desserts, they don't like vegetables. People who like seafood, they don't like, you know, takeout, you know? So you wanna niche it down, man. So let's say you wanna make a channel or a page or whatever about desserts, man, because you wanna give away and sell some like cake recipes, right? All right, cool, that's what's up. But the thing is, people who like cake, people don't like cookies. You know, people who like cookies, they don't like ice cream. People who like ice cream, man, they don't like, you know, whatever other type of dessert there is, candy or something, you know? So it's like you gotta niche down a little bit more, man. So let's break it down even further. Let's say we're gonna make a page about cookies, right? People who like sugar cookies recipes, they might not like chocolate chip cookie recipes. People who like oatmeal, you know, raisin or whatever it is, man, they might not like, you know, snickerdoodle, man. So you wanna break it down as far as possible, man. So to me, if I was trying to make a recipe or if I was trying to niche down as much as possible, man, instead of just being food like we started out with, I would do sugar cookies, man. Because you know, somebody who like cookies, you know, they gotta like sugar cookies, they gotta like desserts, it's food, so it's all nothing about sugar cookies, you know, and just post a whole bunch of different type of cookies, sugar cookies on your post, and you know you're gonna be able to market to them. Now you can mix it in and put like some snickerdoodles or some chocolate chip cookies or whatever, but you wanna have like a theme, you know, because if you're trying to sell a particular like ultimate sugar cookie recipe, you got to make sure the people who are on your page and looking at your videos and all that type of stuff, they like sugar cookies, you know? And we're gonna break it down a little bit further, man. But anyway, I'm driving right now, man, so that's why I might not be looking at the camera that much and moving around a lot, man. I'm driving, man, I apologize. But let's break it down, let's go to the next one. All right, let's talk about sports, man. I'm really into sports, man. But the problem is, if you made a page just all about sports, that means you gotta post all sports, man. I don't watch NASCAR, I don't watch, you know, golf, I don't watch, you know, hockey, you know, I primarily watch basketball. So if you post a whole bunch of different stuff about baseball and football, I might not mess with it, you know, because it's outside of my wheelhouse, you know? But like, let's say you want to niche down or whatever, instead of just being a regular sports page or whatever, because if you're trying to sell some cars or, you know, some athletic equipment or whatever, you can't just do everything because every sport has like different equipment, right? Cool. So you want to break it down even further, man. We just gonna let's do basketball, right? Because that's probably my favorite sport. Cool. What you gonna do about basketball? Like, what do you want to do, man? Because then you gotta it's all type of basketball shit you can do. You can do dunks, you can do dribbles, you can do crossovers, you can do old school players, new school players, you can do basketball shoes, you can do all type of shit, right? So let's break it down a little bit further, man. Let's go to a particular team, man. You know, let's do the Chicago Bulls, man, because if we made it just about basketball, I might only want to see the Lakers. I might only want to see the Heat. But then you posting the Utah Jazz and you posting the Memphis Grizzlies, I don't want to see that shit. You know, so let's say you had a page and it was only on the Chicago Bulls, right? Only thing you trying to sell is like Chicago Bull jerseys or some shit or whatever, right? Cool. What jersey you trying to sell? You trying to sell the most profitable person on the Bulls? If so, it's Michael Jordan, right? So if you're trying to sell a Michael Jordan jersey, why are you posting Scottie Pippen? Why are you posting Derrick Rose, you know? People who rock with Michael Jordan, man, say you just made a page all about the Chicago Bulls, man. People who rock with Michael Jordan, they might not like Zach LaVine. People who know who Zach LaVine is, they might not know who Michael Jordan is. They might not know who Luke Longley is. They might not know who Tony Kukoc is, you know? They may probably know who Michael Jordan is, I know, you know, whatever. But what I'm saying is you want to niche down as much as possible, man. So you want to have a page all about Michael Jordan, right? Because even if you say, oh man, it's only Michael Jordan, cool. But you can niche down, you can still sell a whole bunch of different Michael Jordan stuff. You know, say you posted 10 Michael Jordan pictures a day. You telling me somebody all the people who subscribe to your channel, your page and all that shit, they don't like Michael Jordan shoes? You telling me they don't like Michael Jordan, you know, basketball cards? They don't like Michael Jordan, you know, old school stuff, you know, equipment and all that type of stuff? And that's a way for you to market to them. That's a way for you to like figure something out, and you know everybody who follow your page and like your page and watch you and view your videos or whatever, they rock with Michael Jordan. So eventually, man, you can monetize it and just find somewhere and get some Michael Jordan, you know, replica, authentic, whatever you want to do, merchandise, you know, and you can like market out to the people on your page, right? Cool, that's number 2. That's 2 examples, man. I know you guys already got it, man. I'm gonna give you one more, man. I'm still driving, man. It's still driving, I'm still driving. I'm in the beast too. I'm in the old school beast, man. Like I said, man, my page and my channel, I appreciate you guys watching for sure, man. Be sure to like this channel, subscribe down below, share, comment, all that shit, man, because you guys have any questions, man, hit me up down below, man. I respond immediately, man. You can look at all my videos. Anybody who ever respond, man, or you know, comment it down below, they got a response from me for sure, you know. But anyway, we're gonna niche down a little bit, man. Let's do cars, you know. Let's do cars, man, or vehicles. There's so many different vehicles they are, man, but the problem is what? People who like trucks, they don't like sedans, you know, they might not. People who like boats, they might not like convertibles. People who like convertibles, they might not like SUVs, you know. So let's say we're gonna niche it down a little bit further, man. We're gonna say, look at the airplane. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see it. Comment down below if you saw it. Anyway, we're gonna do cars, right? Man, this light, man, is all weird. That's what I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to look at this, and I'm trying to drive, and I'm trying to make sure, you know, I get some eye contact, because I know I don't want to have one of the videos where just the person looking away the whole time. You know, that's kind of whack. But anyway, all right, so we're gonna talk about cars, right? You don't want to just do any vehicle. You just imagine you go to a page and there's a whole bunch of different type of cars. It might be cool if you like all cars, but not a lot of people like all cars. They might like Mustangs, right? Cool. So what you gonna do? Well, I guess you could probably do something like convertibles. A lot of people like convertibles. If you got one convertible, you probably like them all. You know, Mustang convertible, Camaro convertible, Lamborghini convertible, you know. But outside of that, you know, that specific niche market, that could be something, you know. If you guys want to have a page about cars, just do all about convertibles, and then you can sell like different rag tops, you can sell different, you know, all type of convertible shit or whatever. But we're gonna break it down to Mustangs, man. We're gonna break it down because people who like Ford, they might not like Chevys, they might not like Audis, they might not like BMWs. You guys get it. I know you guys get the drift or whatever. I know you guys do. But what I'm saying is you want to niche down as much as possible, because if you can get a super niche, you can sell everything to them. You know, rather than if you have a whole bunch, you got a big ass page. Just imagine you got a million different people on your page and on all that type of shit or whatever, but it's all random. It's gonna be hard for you to pinpoint and see exactly what everybody likes, what everybody wants, you know. But if you can niche down as much as possible, it's easier, man. I promise you, it's much easier to market to people and give people exactly what they want, you know. Like imagine if you just continuously posted and talked about and did everything related to Mustangs, right? Instead of just all cars, you just did nothing but Mustangs. Eventually, it's going to be a slower growth because your market, your sample is so much smaller, right? I don't know why my car beeping. I don't know, maybe it's low on oil or some shit. I don't know. Anyway, But you guys get what I'm saying, man. You want to do Mustangs because then everybody, if everybody rock with you and they like Mustangs, you can sell them all type of like Mustang merchandise. Nah, that shit over there, I ain't doing that. But anyway, yeah, man. So that's what it is, man. I know. Do you want me to break it down more? All right, you don't want to do Ford, you don't want to do Chevy, you don't want to do BMW because it's too broad or whatever. So only thing, if you want to have instead of just having a regular car channel, a car page, a car, you know, Facebook account, you want to make it so it's only about Mustangs, man, because then you know the people, when you post up, when you have bumper stickers, when you have little cloth, when you have covers or whatever, and it shows like a Ford Mustang, you know the majority of the people on your channel and the people on your page, they're gonna rock with it because your whole page is centered and it revolves around Mustangs, man. But anyway, man, that's how you pick a niche, man. That's the first way. This is just step one, man. I got a whole video series. You know, if you guys want to see more, be sure to like this video, man, because I won't really know if you guys like it or not. You know, if you guys just want me to go, you know, just only post car stuff, I can do that, man. That's easy or whatever, man. But, you know, I'm all about making money, man, because everybody, you want to get money so you can go buy the cars that you want, you know? So you got to figure out a way to get it, man. And I know there's not a lot of people who maybe talk like me or, you know, come from where I come from or whatever, talking about different stuff or, you know, just giving back, you know? I mean, it's a lot of people in different areas, man, but I be trying to figure out things about making money online and affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, and all that different type of shit, man. But it don't be anybody like, I mean, I'm sure it's a lot of people, man. I ain't trying to discredit anybody, man, but it's nobody I 100% relate to who only talking about money. You know, it's a lot of cool people or whatever, everybody doing it or whatever, but not somebody, I guess it's just me. You know, I'll listen to me or whatever because it's me, you know, so that's what I be trying to look and find, and I don't see that, you know. But anyway, man, comment down below, subscribe to my channel for sure, man. This is only part one. I got so many different parts, man. This is just how to pick your niche, you know. And another thing, man, don't trade 5 days out of the week for 2 days, man. Don't live for the weekend, man. Don't work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and don't do shit for yourself until Saturday and Sunday. You never want to trade 5 for 2, man. Just imagine if it's not days. Imagine if it's money. Would you give somebody $5 to get back 2? Never, right? Never, never. So why you living for the weekend, man? Make every single day your Saturday, man. And I'm gonna try to get everybody to where I want to get to in my life, man, because that's the way you live, man. But anyway, Mr. 300, man, like I said, comment, like the page or whatever, like the video. I appreciate you guys, man. I love you guys, man. I'm driving to Vegas. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Let me know if you guys got any concerns. Let me know if I missed something, all that shit, man. Let me know down below, man. Anyway, man, hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.